chilly, but it's nice. It's definitely nicer than what we're used to.
Gorgeous. You see how clear those skies are. Tomorrow's supposed to be a hotter day.
Yeah, we got some excursions. We'll keep you tuned.
Yeah, my sunglasses are so huge.
They're beautiful on you, man. Do you agree? I think they're nice on her. I see myself in them.
But it is definitely gorgeous out here. This is
Playa Del Carmen. Look at that beautiful water.
what the fuck? I knew my drink tasted weird.
Look, she took my drink, but I was just waiting to see if she noticed. Here you go. So I'm having, what is this, Long Island iced tea?
Yeah.
It has a little orange juice. I'm not used to the orange juice in it, but it's smooth. And what you're having, Ben?
Gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic. So, you know, two different tastes, something real similar, but not too bad at all. And we're just enjoying this beautiful water. Look at these waves. I don't know if you can hear the breeze. It feels so good. So good. It's warm with the nice coolness of the water.
I do wish that this part was a little bit more like
You notice how steep it is though? It's like super steep. Like we had to come down a little hill.
No, same thing.
Well, it's nice, something different.
I think it's because the sand is getting washed
Yeah.
in.
Well, definitely, because if you look a little farther, it's pretty nice and like aqua blue. It's definitely beautiful. Definitely, we're gonna definitely come back, right? Maybe a different part, different area.
Yeah. Let me take a picture of you now.
Here you go. There you go, beautiful.
Cheers.
Cheers to the good life. That's the one. Cool?
That's all right.
Well, it's not that bad. Great. It is great.
It's not that cold.
At your service, madam. Are we gonna do a little vlog now?
Okay, wait.
Is it me? Or the more we look into the ocean, the more beautiful it gets? Oh, they're up there. Because look how far the boat is. And look at the one behind them, they're even higher. And it's a windy day. Holy lovely. Are we gonna go on it? Maybe next time. What's that thing you always say?
Make some noise, people from Mexico. Ajá, gente de Argentina. Eso, muy bien. Ok, vamos a empezar. Let's start with the first number, el primer número. Gato. The technical problems, I'm sorry, 1 second.